Our unmanned systems industry is very diversified, which includes not only land systems, but also airborne and waterborne systems. Students need to be fundamentally strong in their engineering thinking skills, looking into systems that are able to integrate with the whole digital ecosystem. We want to expose students as much as possible to the technologies, as well as how they are being adopted and used in the real world. Unfortunately, the speed of technology advancement is accelerating faster than how we are updating the curriculum. Students will never be able to appreciate such technologies inside the class. Good engineering common sense, we need engineers to think out of the box and not out of the textbooks. We are looking at skill areas such as IoT, data analytics, and AI that is important to develop smarter unmanned systems. Cybersecurity is important because we want to ensure that these systems are digitally secured to prevent any form of hacking. The unmanned aircraft industry is currently very heavily regulated, not only in Singapore, but across the world. Having fundamental knowledge of the legislation will help them with the thinking about regulations and how this can change system designs or even concept of operations. As an institute of higher learning, we are always striving to ensure that our courseware is industry relevant. Some examples include our newly launched UA Basic Training online course that was recently approved by the authorities, as well as future plans to provide UA pilot license courses to our students. We work very closely with our internship partners. Weaving such elements into students' curriculum can help them prepare to be a more effective intern, to gain beyond textbook experiences, and eventually be industry ready right after graduation.